welcome back to my channel. आज की जो वीडियो है वो एक सरप्राइज ट्रिप है.
Like everyone else, I also wanted to have a lazy Friday. But then my husband saw something on his phone and we all were up and ready for a road trip from west to east in just 10 minutes.
ओके चलो लेट्स प्ले अ गेम. जब तक हम वो चीज़ ढूंढ रहे हैं जिसके लिए आज हम निकले हैं, आप सब उसे गेस करिए कि वो क्या है. ओके सो योर फर्स्ट हिंट इज कि वो एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो डेजर्ट में बहुत कम मिलती है. लेट्स सी वेदर यू कैन गेस इट. वो एक ऐसी चीज़ भी है जिसको देख के आप बहुत खुश हो जाते हो. So kids, are you excited? Okay, Priya, you give us one puzzle question.
So what we're going to find is in something fluffy which is high up in the sky.
Okay, that's a nice one.
So while going from west to east, we are going to cross various landscapes.
Sound of rain, we have been looking for it. Yay, finally found it. Rain in Dubai.
Do you remember in the beginning I told you he saw something on his phone? So this is what he saw. So we finally found what we were looking for, rain. But you know where it was? It was near UAE-Oman border. Though we enjoyed on the road, but we took all the safety precautions.
So finally come and enjoy the awesome weather. Awesome weather in Dubai. Finally we found what we were looking for this morning. Seriously telling you, we were actually losing hope because we've been driving so long, but we could see the clouds but not the rain. And finally we found it.
Hello friends, we drove almost 200 plus kilometers for this and finally we are able to show you rain in Dubai. Not in Dubai but in UAE. but definitely this is the land of desert, and this is something new which we see very rarely in this part of the world. As you all know, rain brings happiness, so this is also bringing happiness to us and UAE. I hope you like it.
Wished for the rain today and it actually came. So guys, remember the question that I told you in the car? Well, now I'm going to show you the answer. It is rain.
वेरी गुड. तो हमने कहा कुछ नया क्यों ट्राई करें. लेट्स ट्राई पिज़्ज़ा हट एंड नाउ वी आर हियर एंड आवर फूड इज कमिंग. If you enjoy, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. This was a very beautiful drive-through. It was mostly similar like the last exit in Dubai, with this drive-through and these small coffee shops and eating joints. It was lovely.